How many bags do you have now?
You don't want to count the thing.
No, it's true. Hey guys, welcome back to The Perfect X. I'm Camille, Charrière, your host. We're going to talk about summer bags to be precise. The Perfect X customer service, how may I help?
Hi Camille, are it bags still a thing and do they need to be designer?
I have just the person to answer this. She's an internet it girl, she DJs, a stylist to the stars, and a friend, the gorgeous MV Tiangue. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me, Camille.
So let's answer, are it bags still a thing?
We don't care about labels, but we love bags. It's always the most important part of the outfit.
Do you remember the first one you ever bought?
I don't remember the first one that I bought, but I remember the first bag that someone gifted me, and it was a Chanel bag. I was so lucky, and it was my first designer bag.
The start of a
big collection.
I'm not going to call it a problem, but you know, we never call someone who has a lot of bags a hoarder. They are a collector. I like to refer to my own wardrobe as an archive. It's helped me a lot. How many bags do you have now?
I don't count. You don't want to count.
No, it's true. I couldn't answer that question either. Are there any types of bags that you favor in the summer?
I love big bags that I can go to the beach with, go to the city with, my wet swimsuit, my shoes inside.
So you're the person that everybody's shoving something in the bag?
Exactly. Can I put this in your bag or this in your bag? And I'm like, yeah, of course, you're welcome.
Boys always need to use our bags. Put my keys, can I put my wallet? And you're like...
But then they carry the bag.
Yes. When I travel, I have a basket, and then in the basket, like a Russian doll of all the handbags. My husband thinks I'm crazy.
No, but maybe I should do that.
Because of this technique, I bring quite a lot of bags with me on holiday. What are the bag trends that you'll be hopping on this summer?
I love a fishnet bag. I think it's really fun because you can have colorful item inside, and you know it's like a pop of color.
Almost like a little market bag.
Yeah.
What does the inside of your bag look like? Are we messy? Are we very organized? Can I find all your receipts from the last few years?
No, my bags, they're really organized. Every day, so even when I come back home, I change everything, really organized when it comes to bag.
Does your bag need to match your outfit, or is it the other way around?
I don't really care about matching, because I think when you own your style, it will be pretty at the end of the day, you know what I mean? Most of the time, I do my look and then I add the bag.
The final signature.
Exactly.
Whose handbag collection would you love to steal?
I think yours.
Really?
Of course.
Oh my God, wow, what an honor. I feel like your style is so fun and colorful, and you're always really good at clashing colors and mixing prints. So I'm so excited to see what you're going to put together for us. I'm going to invite you to the fashion cupboard now.
Let's go.
Welcome to the fashion closet.
It's amazing.
We've got lots to play with. I'm going to get you to dress up in 3 different looks for us. 1 every day, 1 going to the beach, and then maybe a going out one.
I'm going to start with the everyday look.
Okay, go on.
This bag.
I love this bag.
It's so my style. It's practical but chic at the same time. This pants.
Oh, I love the shape.
It's giving jeans but with a twist.
Very cowboy.
And with this top. The top is really little and the pants are a bit oversized.
So you like to play with your silhouette?
Yes. Pop of color. It's a vibe.
Love that. Unexpected, yes. Okay, baddie. Talk me through it.
I always wear blue jeans, but I love it with the bandana-print.
An embellishment.
Yes, exactly.
Something more fun.
And with the white bag, I think it's perfect for an everyday bag.
It makes the print pop. It's fun. It's easy.
Such a vibe.
I feel like it would go with my outfit as well.
Yes, that's right. Yeah,
little pop of white.
It's perfect. And I love that it's slouchy.
Okay, picture this. We're in Hawaii. We're about to go to the beach.
I saw this bag when I arrived.
Oh, I'm glad you picked that.
I think it's giving summertime, with the little accessory. This, I love.
She loves her red and blues.
I love red and blue. Where I love to style clothes is I love to put something around my waist.
To cinch.
And the shoes, why not?
Flip-flops. Oh, they've got a heel.
It's really chic. I told you I love big bags for the beach, and it's perfect. So I decided to mix and match different shades of colors. What do you think?
Stuff. Really cute. Give me a twirl.
Could you wear this to the beach?
100%.
And if it's too big, you just put it behind the back.
Actually, it makes you look petite and dainty.
I love it.
Love it. Okay, we just got a message in the group chat. We're going out.
First, these shoes. They're so iconic.
Wow. You can go out with a heel this big?
Of course, I always go out with heels. Yeah. For the look, maybe I'm going to do an all black. This skirt is really cool. See-through details.
Anna October, I love.
Because it's already saying a lot, maybe a more casual top.
So what bag?
The perfect little black bag to go out.
I feel like your boyfriend waiting to take you out on a date. Love.
I love the details of the
I love the little bows.
And you can put coquette.
Jolie coquine. I'm always ready to steal the bag.
But it's perfect to go out because it's small. You can put everything you need inside.
I love it. MV, thank you for playing dress up with us. Okay, now I have a quickfire round for you. Quickfire, extra, extra large or teeny weeny?
Extra large.
Tote or basket?
Totes.
Full to the brim or only the essentials?
Only the essentials.
Classic or colourful?
Classic.
Limited edition or bag of the season?
Limited edition.
Trendy or timeless?
Timeless.
Do you have one last piece of advice?
As long as you have like 2, 3 like neutral bag in your wardrobe, then you can start buying like crazy bags.
Then you can be like a kid in a candy store.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for that advice. Thank you so
Thanks
much
to
for being my
you.
guest. Thank you for watching the show. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time.